Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Today we'll be making a really yummy Korean potato pancake that's stuffed with cheese. Today I'm using Yukon Gold potatoes, but russet potatoes would actually work better for this recipe. First, we're going to peel the potatoes and then slice them into small chunks. Cut them all into the same size so that they cook evenly. Place them in a pot and fill it with enough water to cover the potatoes. Season with salt and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Leave the lid a little ajar so that the water doesn't overflow when it boils. Let it cook for 20 minutes or until you can stick a toothpick through it without any resistance. Drain the potatoes and then place it in a large bowl. Now flex your muscles and smash those potatoes. Once it's all smashed up and you got your arm workout in, add in some rice flour or cornstarch and mix it in really well. The rice flour or cornstarch helps keeps the potato intact and makes it easy to mold. Grab a chunk of the potato and start rolling it into a ball. Then flatten it out and put a chunk of the mozzarella in there. Fold the sides in and lightly press to close the opening. Just gently press with your palm and fingers to shape them into little potato pancakes. Now we're going to add just enough oil to cover the surface of the pan. Keep the heat on medium, and once it's hot, add the potato pancakes. Let it cook untouched for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it's golden brown. Then flip it over and cook the other side for the same amount of time. And that's it. That's how you make a cheese-filled potato pancake. Now let's see what it looks like when we open it up. So I was really impatient and couldn't wait to open up the potato pancake. So please be careful when you do make this at home because it was extremely hot. I also made a cheddar cheese version of this, and I'm sad to say that the opening ceremony was not as impressive. But I'd say that cheddar cheese tastes better than mozzarella. What do you guys think? Which one do you prefer, mozzarella or cheddar cheese? Let me know which one you try. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!